Hello viewers, welcome to Krishna's Kadai. Today my new recipe is semiya upma in microwave. In a microwave safe bowl, add 1 tablespoon oil, then add half teaspoon mustard seeds, few curry leaves. Mix it properly. Now add half teaspoon soaked urad dal, 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 green chillies, chopped green chillies. Then mix it properly. Now add grated ginger. Again mix it properly. Now add roasted semiya, water as needed, salt as needed, half teaspoon hing, it is optional. Then mix it properly, there will be no lumps on it. Half teaspoon sugar, it is also optional. Meanwhile, preheat microwave 180 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes. Keep in the oven 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check it. Now it is done. Then transfer to a serving plate. Ready to serve hot semiya upma. If viewers like my recipe, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my videos.